your maths tutor Sabah, and today I will teach you some complex trigonometric identities questions. So come to the board. Students, I have a complex question here and I can solve any side. I can convert left side to the right hand side and I can convert right side to the left side. Now I am going to convert right side into left side. Okay, I'm just taking right hand side. So what is right hand side? It is sec x minus tan x whole square. Okay, now which identity should I use here, or which formula should I need to use here? Okay, so I am not using any identity right now here, but I will use in further steps. I'm just using the algebraic formula here, and the formula is, as it has whole square and minus sign in between these two, so a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so I'm erasing this part to solve the question. Okay, so this is a and this is b. Okay, I'm just opening the bracket according to this formula. So it is sec square x minus 2 sec x tan x plus tan square x. Okay, so I have opened the bracket with this formula. Now this is the step I need to use the identities here. So which identities I need to use here? Okay, in this step I am going to use the reciprocal identity, which is sec square theta is equal to, you can use no sec square theta, square is not in the formula in reciprocal identity. So sec theta is equal to 1 over cos of theta. Okay, and what about tan? I'm using the quotient identity here. Tan theta is equal to sin theta over cos of theta. Okay, now here angle is x, so I will use angle x in the question. Okay, so I need to use these two identities in this question. Okay, so I'm just converting. It is like 1 over cos square x minus 2 1 over cos x and sin x over cos x plus sin x over cos x, sin square x and cos square x. Okay, so I hope you understand these two steps very well. Now if you want to copy these formulas, you can copy. I'm just giving you 5 to 10 seconds. You can easily copy. Okay, this is the formula I have used from algebra, and this is the reciprocal identity, and this is the quotient identity. You can also write the names as well. I have taught you these two identities in my previous video. You can watch my previous video as well to learn these identities. Okay, now I'm erasing this part. to solve the or to do the further steps of the question, as it is a complex question. Okay, so now this thing will be same, 1 over cos square x minus, and multiplying sign, then it is like 2 multiplied by sine 2 sine x over, and these two cos x are multiplying each other, so it is like cos square x plus sine square x over cos square x. So okay, now if you want to copy these steps, because I'm going to erase these two steps, you can copy. I'm just giving you the 10 seconds because these two steps are very easy to copy down. You can copy. Okay, now I am erasing this part from here. Okay, so I hope you copy it down. You can pause my video or you can stop my video whenever you are watching to copy down the steps. Okay, so as you can see, the denominators of these three values are same, so I am taking the LCM. LCM is in denominator, the LCM is cos square x, and in numerator it is like 1 minus 2 sine x plus sine square x. Now I need to write it little bit clear. Okay, so now I am converting this into another formula. Okay, which formula I need to use here? I cannot use any trigonometric identity or any trigonometric formula here. I just need to use an algebraic formula which I have used in previous steps. So it is like 1 minus 2 sine x sine square x. Assume this is A and this is B. So I am writing this as, okay, first of all I need to write a formula. A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB and plus B square. Okay, so I need to convert this whole step into this. Okay, so I need to erase this part as well. So it is like 1 minus sine x whole square over cos square x. Now this step is converted into this, but now which identity I need to put here? The identity is reciprocal identity, and I am writing the identity is so not reciprocal identity, I am using here the Pythagoras identity, which is cos square theta minus 1 minus sine square theta, not minus, 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, so I am erasing this part. If you want to copy, you can stop my video, or I am erasing this formula as well. Okay, so it is 1 minus sine x whole square upon, okay, wait a minute. 1 minus sine square x. Okay, so now what I need to put this to cancel this step. Okay, to cancel this step I am erasing this part. If you want to copy, you can stop my video and you can easily copy them. Okay, so here I'm taking the square out from here, like 1 minus sine x whole square upon 1 square minus sine x square. So here I need to use another algebraic formula, just a square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b. So I am writing this step in denominator, 1 minus sine x whole square upon 1 minus sine x and 1 plus sine x. So I can easily cancel this to this. Now I am writing this step as I have cancelled. So 1 minus sine x upon 1 plus sine x. You can see how I can convert it the right hand side into left hand side. Now this question is verified. I hope you understand this question very well. This is not an easy question, but it is a complex question now. Okay students, the question number 2 is 1 minus sine square x upon 1 plus cos x is equal to cos x. Okay, as you can see, the right hand side is very simplified side now, so I need to take the complex side to solve. So complex side is left hand side and I am taking left hand side. Okay, so 1 minus sine square x upon 1 plus cos x. Okay, to solve these steps, you can see the 1 is alone. I need to take the LCM. 1 plus cos x, this 1 plus cos x will multiply here 1 plus cos x minus sine square x. Okay, so it is 1 plus cos x minus sine square x upon 1 plus cos x, and I need to give my answer in the form of cos x. Okay, so as you can see, the answer is in cos x. So wherever in the question I have sine, I need to convert the sine into cos. So this is sine and I need to write it a bit clearly here. So it is x. Okay, so which identity I need to use here? The identity I need to use here is Pythagoras identity. So I am writing the identity on this side, which is sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so I am just putting the identity here. You can see 1 plus cos x minus, the sign is minus here, so whenever you want to write anything after minus, you need to write in the bracket. Okay, so 1 minus cos x square x upon 1 plus cosec x. Okay, so I'm multiplying this minus sign with the other signs of the bracket. So 1 plus cos x minus 1, and the minus minus will be plus cos square x upon 1 plus cos x. Now I can easily cancel this one and this one, because this one has plus sign and this one has minus sign, so cancel. This is cos x plus cos square x upon 1 plus cos x. Now what should I do now? Now I am taking, because you can see on the numerator the cos x are same, and I am just taking the, and I'm going to take the common cos x common. So I need to remove or erase this step. So it is cos x and then 1 plus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Okay, these two are similar. Now I can easily cancel them. Now what I have left now? I have cos x. You can see I have converted the left hand side into right hand side. Here you can easily write left hand side is equals to right hand side, and I have proved the question. So you can write proved, and if you need to write the verify, you can write verified. Okay, so students, I hope you find this question very easy for you. This question is a complex question, but I'm trying to teach you in a very easy way always. Okay, let's do another question. Now students, I have a question here. Cosec x plus cot x over tan x plus sin x is equal to cot x multiplied by cosecant x or cosec x. Okay, you can see this side is very easy and this side is complex. So I am going to use this, or I am going to convert this side into right hand side. Okay, just writing here, as I am taking left hand side, so left hand side. Now cosec x plus cot x upon tan x plus sin x. Okay, so now I am going to put some identities here. I'm going to put a reciprocal identity here, and on this and this value, for these two value I need to put the quotient identities. So I'm writing the identities first. Okay, cosecant theta is equal to 1 over sin theta. Okay, what about cot? Cot theta is equal to cos theta over sin theta. Okay, this is quotient identity, and tan theta is equal to sin theta over cos of theta. Okay. Okay, students, now I am putting the identities here. 1 over sin theta, okay, plus cos theta over sin theta divided by sin theta, no, sorry, not theta, I need to put the angle x here. I'm very sorry for this. Okay, so for cos x 1 over sin x, for cot x cos x over sin x, and this is sin x over cos x plus sin x. Okay, so I put the identities here. Now I'm erasing the formulas. If you want to copy the formulas, you can stop my video while watching. Okay students, so the next step is I am just taking the LCMs. So in the numerator, the LCM is sin x and 1 plus cos x upon, here the LCM is cos x and here sin x plus. Okay, as you can see here in the denominator I have 1 here, so I'm just multiplying sin x with cos x. Sin x and cos x. Okay, so now I am just doing one more step to simplify it. One plus cos x upon sin x divided by sin x plus sin x cos x upon cos x. Okay, now I am going to erase these parts to solve the further steps. Okay, so it is 1 plus cos x over sin x multiplied by, whenever you converting the divides into multiply, the denominator converts into numerator and the numerator converts into denominator. So cos x upon sin x plus sin x cos x. Okay, so to cancel something, I'm taking the sin x common from here. 1 plus cos x upon sin x multiplied by cos x over sin x into 1 plus cos x. Okay, now these two cancelled each other. So what I have left now, I have cos x over sin x multiplied by sin x. Okay, to do the last step, because now I'm going to the last step, I'm erasing this part. If you want to copy down these parts, you can stop my video while watching. Okay, so here before doing the last step, I am writing the identities. Okay, as we know that cos theta over sine of theta is equals to cot theta, and we also know that whenever sine theta is equal to cosecant theta. So I am just using these two identities here. This is the quotient identity and this is the reciprocal identity. So I'm just, okay, cos over sine is cot x, and we have left with 1 over sine, and 1 over sine is cosec x. So you can see how I have converted the left hand side into right hand side. Now you can write here left hand side is equals to right hand side and verified. So students, I hope you find these 3 complex questions related to trigonometric identity very easy for you. If you have any question, the question can be complex, simple, advanced level, university level, any level I can teach you. You can comment down below or you can email me. I'm mentioning my email in the description box below, and you can contact me on Instagram. I'm mentioning my Instagram here. If you like my video or if you are finding my videos helpful for you, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.